Hello, my name is Kent Risky. I'm a mechanical engineer, and I'm going to demonstrate how you can easily start a gasoline engine that's often difficult to start. Now this is a Toro lawnmower. I'll show you how to start it because it is difficult. You can do this with any gasoline engine, 2-cycle or 4-cycle, watercraft, snowmobiles, motorcycles, chainsaws. It doesn't matter, but do not try this with a diesel. Okay, first, to show you that I'm not a fan of Toro, I'll point out a few of the problems I had with this mower. First of all, within the first summer, I hit a little object and bent the crankshaft. Well, I replaced that myself because I didn't figure the warranty would hold. And I'm a do-it-yourselfer. I repair my own automobiles, my truck, and so forth. Another problem I had was the bearings down here in the drive shaft went out about the second or third season. That chewed up the gears in the wheels. You have to disassemble all this drive mechanism underneath, which I did, and got that going again. Then like the next season or so, the main gearbox under there failed. You won't believe how small those gears are. And the way this carburetor is designed, it has this pump thing. I'll show you that in detail, but it's very easy to flood these. You're supposed to pump this little bulb 3 times. If it's too warm, it'll flood. If it's too cold, it won't start. And then when it floods, it soaks the the spark plug, and the spark plug won't spark anymore when it's wet. So it's because they pump fuel down into this intake manifold, and it puddles there and it floods the engine. So these things are a mess. I'm no fan of Tecumseh engines either. This thing has had lots of problems. Let me show you some other details with it. Okay, I had to bend this handle up because I'm tall and it didn't have enough adjustments. I had to weld right here because all this metal was bending. I had to weld on the other side. It was bending. I had to change this and jury rig this drive cable. The factory had it so that it bent the cable right here and made it fatigue. And after replacing 4 of those, I thought that's enough. I fixed this and it's lasted just fine. This is where you plug in the charger. It's got a safety device so it doesn't come unplugged, but you don't need it there. But under here where the cable goes into the starter, it falls right out every time you go past a bush. So I put this on. The only thing good on this mower was the bag. The grass catcher material is great. The design is bad. It blows grass all over the deck of your mower down here. So it blows it out of a crack right under here where this is. They could have done, and this fills up with grass where there's not a bag. So it's a pretty big mess. Okay, I'm going to start this with a regular propane torch. You can buy these at any hardware store. And that's all you need. Now, you should observe safety measures, but I'm going to tie this safety bail back because I'm here alone, no one's around. And I've got an electric start key right here. It'll take 2 people, someone to pull the cord, if you don't have electric start. So let's get with it. Okay, I'm gonna tie this safety bale back with a little Velcro strap. And this is how you start any engine with just a propane torch, any gasoline engine. Right here's the air cleaner box. And it's got holes in it here where we're going to let propane go in to where the engine draws in the air. This engine's cold, hasn't been started in a week. No problem. So you turn on your little propane, full open. Now this isn't much propane. I mean, it's not like a barbecue grill where my doctor, he looked in the barbecue grill closely why it wouldn't lit, and he pushed the button. I asked him why he had all these red marks on his face and no eyebrows. I thought he was doing a face peel because he was a dermatologist, but no, he blew up his barbecue grill in his face. So you put that up there. Now remember, when it starts, keep the torch on it and hold it up there for a little while. Get some propane in there. Keep the torch on it or it'll die, but then you can just try it again. You can't flood the engine this way. No problem. See how easy that is? Now the engine's just been run, so it should start right up on the regular gas. Well, thanks for watching. Hope this helps a few people.